you're watching this video, I'm sure you're pretty much interested in process of filmmaking. Filmmaking is a hectic process with lot of budget riding on producer and n number of people involved to manage. If we don't keep track of everything, we might end up committing mistakes. This is Kaushika, you're watching FTIH Crash Course. Let's go with stages of pre-production. First one is writing. The first and foremost important thing in pre-production stages is writing. How ideas will pop up and how these ideas are converted into storyline and how the storyline is placed into screenplay. A lot of questions. Well, we will cover this topic in the another video, but for today we will understand that writing is a most important process and forms base for any film production. Once the storyline is ready, you might want to narrate it to the producer, and if the producer gives you green signal, the following stages of pre-production takes place. Your producer will give you time to complete the script and come back. If you have already done with the screenplay, then we'll go for budgeting. The director must have basic idea about the budget of their film. So the director, producer, executive producer and the entire team sits together and collaborates about the budget. The budget of a movie depends upon various factors such as A-list actors, number of stars present in the movie, heavy visual effects such as in Bahubali, time period movies such as Rudramadevi and etc. We also have art direction. Sometimes art direction takes lot of time to find the props. If they don't find them, they will make it all by themselves like Bahubali did. They took an entire year to prepare everything from the scratches. Things couldn't be so easier sometime. Next comes scheduling. For scheduling, director has to sit with his assistants and plot all the requirements for production, pre-production and post-production. Next comes storyboarding. Storyboarding is art of drawing director's visuals onto a piece of paper. It is usually done by storyboard artists. Once the director is done with all the prerequisites, he may want to sit down and plot the shooting script, collaborating with cinematographers and other assistants. So guys, now we have what is called as shooting script, but that is not all enough which we required. There is some paperwork to be done in the stages of pre-production, which is done by administration department. In administration department, first comes legal and accounting department. The legal and accounting department carries out everyday task of spending money. They make it sure that every single rupee spent is accountable. And the next one is permits. Unless we are doing guerrilla shoots, we need to take proper permissions from locations, government and organizations. And the final one is contracts. A legal agreement must be made between the producers and the artist, which are duly signed. All these are taken care by legal department. These are the major stages in pre-production which are generally found in all the film productions. I hope you liked the video. Myself Kaushika, you're watching FTIH Crash Course. Catch you in my next video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye. Take care.